Are you ready to explore the ultimate guide to success in 2024 with zero investment guidance? Let's dive into the world of online work from home opportunities and discover the keys to thriving in this digital age. Working from home offers increased flexibility, cost-saving benefits, and an improved work-life balance. Imagine arranging your work hours around your commitments and reducing stress for a healthier lifestyle. From freelancing to remote jobs and online tutoring, the landscape of online work from home opportunities is diverse and exciting. Utilize productivity apps, time management techniques, and effective communication to enhance your work from home experience. Join the Zero Investment Guidance team and become a Link app tester. Earn while you learn and build your AI skills with free training and certification programs. Embrace the future of remote work and position yourself for success in this ever-evolving landscape. Online work from home offers unparalleled flexibility and freedom. By embracing the advantages of remote work and implementing effective strategies for success, anyone can thrive in this digital age. Explore common misconceptions, tips for staying motivated, and overcoming feelings of isolation while working from home. Visit www.zeroinvestmentguidance.com for online work from home that is suitable for you. Unlock the potential opportunity.